So as we continue our cleaning adventures coming back to South Florida, today we did the carpets. They were pretty stained and dirty, but we used a really good carpet cleaner, brushed it in, cleaned it up, and now we just gotta wait for it to dry so we can go ahead and vacuum. I don't know if you remember one of my last videos back we were in Colorado at Mosca Campground. On the way in and on the way out, it's very, very dusty road. If you can imagine, looking at the rear view camera, the dust covered the car completely. Couldn't even see the car. Well, needless to say, all that dust is also in the compartments. So today's other job is the basement. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. I have got a shop vac, take everything out, kind of get it ready and spruce it up, and also be able to take out our Christmas decorations because our daughter and our granddaughter are coming on Thursday overnight, so they're going to come and spend a couple days with us. We want to have the RV decorated for Christmas, so we're looking forward to putting our little 16-inch Christmas tree that we put on the counter and put up some lights and decorations, and looking forward to seeing our daughter and our granddaughter. Okay, now that the compartments are all clean, it's time to decorate for Christmas. And I've got a huge red and green box. Let me show you what it looks like. That's it. All our decorations are in this box. That's what happens when you have an RV. You have to downsize quite a bit. We're minimalists now when it comes to Christmas. I used to decorate the whole house with lights all around it and all kinds of different things. But now we keep everything that we owned right inside this box. Let's go inside. Mary's waiting, getting ready to decorate the RV for the holidays. Shopping with a family. This should be interesting.
What are we gonna buy today?
A toy for me.
What are you getting?
We're getting a Christmas dress. We're getting a Christmas dress! Yay!
City burger.
No, it's done.
Whenever we come home, we always come to Charm City. It's only taken us 7 days to get here, but